Windfall Dancers was established in 1978. It is a 501c3 nonprofit arts organization whose mission is to ignite a passion for dance in the community through quality instruction, innovative outreach, and engaging performances in a nurturing environment for creative expression. The SEAL is an initiative by the City of Bloomington. It stands for the Solar and Energy Efficiency Loan and Grant Program. It is available for nonprofits in the community to be able to reduce their environmental footprint. For Windfall, we would like to add solar panels. We're very excited to be able to make some energy efficient improvements to the facility. This grant program is a match program, so each dollar the city provides, we would need to match. When we bought the building in 2006, the roof was not new. Part of participating in the SEAL program is they did an energy audit. Part of the energy audit discovered that our roof needed immediate attention. It's not quite just as simple as, oh, we're just going to put solar panels on. Everything I do for Windfall is as a volunteer. I have been involved for over 26 years with the organization. I currently serve as president of the board of directors, and I also dance. Windfall's been around since 1978. We have a contemporary dance company, a semi-professional dance company. Dance education is part of what we do. So we also have a school, the Windfall School of Dance is in this building. And then we do a lot of community outreach. Our outreach programs for the most part are all ages and all abilities. We have had students as young as 18 months with their parents, and we also are the fiscal agent for Dance for Parkinson's. So we have participants in that program in senior yoga who are in their 80s. Dancing is a lifelong activity. It's really important to us that we get out in the community and demystify dance and help people realize that anyone can dance as long as you just let yourself move and participate. I have found so many examples of how important Windfall is to both individuals and groups within the community who need to be able to access appropriate and affordable dance space. And Windfall can do that for people, but we also have to take care of the facility, and it's time.